Namaskara. You may be wondering why I am talking to you from a kitchen today. Today's topic of Ondu Prashne demanded me to speak to you from the kitchen. I have one question for the people of Karnataka. Do you think that there should be a rollback in the price of high LPG cylinders? Today, an LPG cylinder costs 888 rupees. They have been increasing the prices by few rupees, so nobody thinks that there is a big price hike. So it will cross 900 to 1000. The prices of subsidized cylinders for the poor is also going up. Is this the right timing when people have lost their jobs, lost their lives? When they should give relief, they are putting salt on the wounds of the people. I have traveled across Karnataka and met all the people from all walks of life. Let me tell you one thing, it is not just the poor, but all the middle class which is feeling the pinch of raising the prices. It pains me to think that today our people have to choose between buying LPG cylinder or paying school fees for the children. There are children who have been dropping out of the schools because parents have lost their jobs. They are committing suicide due to the unemployment. You can't heal, at least don't deepen the wound. Let us please show some concern towards the suffering of the people. When incomes are going down, it is the worst time for the prices to be going up. This is a double assault on our people. If nothing else, at least spare the kitchen. Don't force women to cook one meal less and keep children hungry because they can't afford a gas cylinder. There are people who are not getting their cylinder refill and are going back to the kerosene. That is why my personal view is that the gas cylinder price should be rolled back at least by 150 rupees. What do you think? Please send your opinion in social media, Facebook, Instagram. I will read personally and I will be voice of Karnataka. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Karnataka.